Don't buy. Watch our video before you decide. So we'll share our own experience and you won't make any mistakes. Hope this video helps you, and let's get started.
If you're considering Upwork as a beginner, here's my honest review after using it for about 6 months. Overall, Upwork can be a great starting point for freelancing, but it's also one of the most challenging platforms when you're completely new. It gives you access to real clients and real projects, but landing those first jobs takes effort, patience, and a strong profile. One of the biggest advantages is the amount of opportunity available. There are always new job posts across different categories, so you're not limited by location or industry. For beginners, that means you can experiment with different types of work and see what fits your skills best. Another thing I like is that Upwork provides a structured system for payments and contracts. You don't have to worry as much about getting paid if you follow the platform rules, because payments are protected through escrow. That adds a layer of security that's important when you're just starting out. The platform also helps you build experience quickly. Even small projects can help build your portfolio, get reviews, and improve your chances of landing bigger jobs later on. However, there are some downsides. The biggest one is competition. As a beginner, you're often competing with experienced freelancers who already have reviews and established profiles, which makes it harder to stand out. I also noticed that getting your first few clients can take time. You may need to send many proposals before you get responses, and that can feel discouraging at the beginning. Another thing to consider is the platform fees. Upwork takes a percentage of your earnings, which can feel significant when you're working on smaller projects. After 6 months of use, I'd say Upwork is a solid option for beginners who are serious about freelancing and willing to treat it like a long-term learning process. The key thing to watch before using it is patience. If you stick with it, improve your profile, and keep applying consistently, it can turn into a strong source of freelance income.